The Kalka-Shimla Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a special route in northern India known for its technical marvels and breathtaking views. Riding the heritage toy train from Kalka to Shimla is an unforgettable experience, especially in the Vista Dome coach, which features glass ceilings and large windows. Passengers can enjoy stunning views of lush valleys, deep gorges and dense forests. As the train climbs higher, the cool breeze and shifting weather add to the journey's charm.
Me and all my friends love traveling to the mountains. That's why today is my birthday and we decided to get on this train and come. And as you can already see, all this train has like a glass ceiling, glass windows, so it's quite a unique Indian train journey.
You can see the entire mountain while you're on a train, which is great. I don't think there's any other train which helps you enjoy the mountains to this extent. And the weather is amazing, plus you can listen to the best music, and if you enjoy nature, I think this is the best thing to do.
The Kalka-Shimla toy train covers about 60 miles, passing through tunnels, bridges and charming old stations, with Baroque station standing out for its beauty. The train's slow pace lets passengers fully soak in the stunning scenery, making the journey more than just a trip. It's a unique experience that draws tourists from around the world.
Definitely the scenery, and obviously coming out of the mountains. I mean, looking out, just being at the cloud level is pretty incredible.
I love it. It's a 5-hour journey, but you disappear in the beautiful view, so it doesn't feel like a 5-hour train ride.
This historic railway journey began in 1903 and has become a priceless heritage of Indian railways. In 2008, UNESCO declared the route a World Heritage Site, adding to its historical and cultural significance.
30 अप्रैल 1898 को कालका शिमला रेलवे का जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो इनिशिएट हुआ, तो यानी उस पर काम करना शुरू किया गया। और 9 नवंबर 1903, अब आप देखिए कि 5 साल और 6 महीने के अंदर अंदर ये सारा का सारा रेलवे प्रोजेक्ट, जिसमें 107 सुरंगें थी ओरिजिनली, बाद में 103 रह गई, और करीब 900 ब्रिज हैं इस पे, इतने ही करीब कर्व हैं जो मोड़ हैं, एस बेंड है, रेलवे स्टेशन है, 20 रेलवे स्टेशन है इस पे, कालका और शिमला को मिला के।
To enhance comfort, Indian Railways has introduced modern Vista Dome coaches with features like recliner chairs, foldable tables, charging points, sliding doors and CCTV cameras for added security. These air-conditioned coaches offer a luxurious experience, bringing passengers closer to nature. Currently in trial runs, the Vista Dome coaches will soon be regularly available, providing an even more memorable journey through the scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh.